join us today in this hot afternoon as we trim this Portulacaria or our dwarf jade. Join us. Well, that's funny. I didn't record all that. So let's try this again. If you got a port this size, I'd love to hear from you guys. I've never seen anyone port this size other than the guy in Florida. Not Ben. Ben has something this size too. I forgot his name. It'll come to me a little later. But yeah, if you got a port this size, love to hear from you. It's like how you deal with it. Yes. You didn't hear me the first time. I got some. I'm just tossing it. Tossing all the extra stuff, not keeping it. In a waste basket. If you want some cuttings, you better come get it soon, because it's going straight to the trash. My wife gets on my case of just having cuttings everywhere, so we're reducing that. Well, the fun part is I don't cover this. I should. I let this go out during the rain, snow, whatever. I just let it do its thing. So far, so good. You know, this guy hasn't died back yet. It doesn't grow as well, though, I think, comparatively if I protected it. You can see by the red tips, these are the new growth. Excuse me. Oh, almost forgot. Yeah, this is August. Try to hit July, August, the hottest parts. This is where the roots really respond really well if you're doing repotting. Cuts do really well. Heal over pretty quick with these guys. So you kind of treat them like a tropical. So yeah. Of course, just like any bonsai, anything that's going in, down, trim them out. Always take a step back, kind of look at things. Gotta work on that top now. See the top. Sorry, camera's a little crooked. Start with the green background. There's juice in my face. It sounds disgusting. Turn the camera around. Here goes the back. This was originally the front. You know, I fertilize this tree pretty heavily like my other trees, but it doesn't respond as well as like my bonsais, my regular bonsais. I'm not sure. Again, I'm not sure if this thing's being overwatered. Not on purpose. Again, I'm on a sprinkler system. Well, I have a sprinkler system, and I think the lawn sprinkler system is hitting it, causing it to get overwatered. Word of warning, if you guys have the automatic, oh wow, sorry, camera's kind of crooked there. If you guys have an automatic watering system, you might want to check the valves once in a while. Actually, I came home this Thursday, and I noticed that my front sprinkler was running, like running, and I was like, what the heck? Found out the valve went bad, and it was like watering the front. It was watering so bad that it was pushing water to the concrete in the RV area. So, in my house before, you know what I'm talking about. It was not a pretty sight, but luckily it was a bad valve. And then just changing the valve out solved everything. So, just gonna make sure you guys check your watering system consistently. Found out much easier trimming the second time after the initial styling, because you have an outline to kind of follow versus the first time you're just sitting here for a good hot minute going, do I want to cut it off? And with ports, don't be afraid to cut. They go right back. Honestly, they go right back. I probably will never sow this tree because I could barely move that Japanese maple. Thank you, Michael Roberts and Joe Galgul. I don't think I've ever showed this tree. So, YouTube, you're the only people that get to see it. Unless you come over. But, yeah. Should make a forest out of all these cuttings. And here the kids are having fun next door. I wish I could do that too. Keep some of this. Rub some of this off. Keep that branch. Kind of weird. That's a big hole. That's a big hole in there. Yeah. Hasn't rotted out yet. That's it. Snip, snip, snip. Open it up. Cut these guys off. I wish I could make a tutorial for you guys, but I can't. It's a little big. We go on the other side. Close up shop here. What do you think? It's not gonna go anywhere. It's my tree. It probably needs to be potted in about 3-4 more years probably. I'll let it continue growing. I gotta make sure that some of these big cut wounds that we had before kind of heal over. Some of them are healing over really well, and some of them are just really slow. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you guys have a Portulacaria or dwarf jade this size or something like that, make a comment. Love to hear it. Love to see it. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.